Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a two-handed first move. So a two-handed first move, obviously it's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do a first move. The clip for that is already up and there'll be a link in the description. So two-handed first move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hardly any difference to a first move, except, and this is the key bit, you're really not very close together. So I'll show you from this angle. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I hesitate to think of it as a more COVID friendly version of a first move because you don't get so close. So how does it work? Let's put it together. It's a two-handed move, so we go semicircle, offering hand, stepping back. That is count 1. And unlike a normal first move where we come in quite tight side by side, when we come in side by side, there is at least 10-12 inches between us. Okay, left hand is still fairly high, right hand is at waist height. As we get side by side, we pull with the right, push with the left, so we're guiding the lady to pivot. The lady will end up going step, twist and step, and while the lady does that, guys, we're stepping back with the left but looking across at the lady. This is where we've got this nice gap that isn't normally there, and then it's just undo it. So we pull with the left, bringing the lady around for the prep. We release with the right as we send the lady into the turn, and then it's back to normal for step back, return and step back. Okay, so one more time, thinking about the numbers from the other angle. So we get back to two hands 1, inside by side, left hand high, right hand low 2, twisting out 3, you can do that 1 step or 2, it's up to you, twisting in 4, turning 5, letting go with the right, stepping back 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's do it to numbers. Here we go. 5, 6, two-handed first move. We go a back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back, and that's it. Short and sweet, that one. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. As always, like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we'll stick a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. See you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.